of chromosome in the Drosophila? Shashank?
Yes, sir.
Open now. Now unmute your audio. I suggest all of you to unmute your audio and keep your video also open. Because I want to have interaction with you on this topic. So then
Eight होता है sir.
unmute your audio and keep your video open. Yes,
Eight,
and
sir, eight.
you know what is the diploid number of chromosome in the Drosophila?
Sir, 4.
8. You know that the diploid number of chromosome, diploid number of chromosome in Drosophila melanogaster is 8, and haploid number is n. It means, what does it mean? It means that there are 4 pairs of chromosome in Drosophila. Yes, as a human being, we have the 23 pairs of chromosome in the somatic cell. Similarly, the Drosophila melanogaster has 4 pairs of chromosome. And I want to show you. I have already shared the image of the whiteboard on in your group, but now again I just want to show you the structure of this Drosophila pairs of chromosome found in Drosophila. Look here. There are 4 pairs. There are 4 pairs of chromosome. Look here. This is the first, second, third, and fourth. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 8. तो इसलिए there are 4 pairs of chromosomes found in the somatic cells of the Drosophila. Now look what happens. A very important term I have written here. Look here, Shashank and Nis Fatima, Faiza and all. Here I have written here. There are 2 very important terminologies. This polytene chromosomes are formed as a result of a process that is known as the endo-reduplication. Endo-reduplication. I think that the word written on the board is visible to you. This is the I have written here the endo-reduplication. This is also known as polytenization. It is also known as endomitosis. These are the 3 for the same phenomena: endo-reduplication, polytenization, and endomitosis. So this polytene chromosome is formed as a result of endo-reduplication. What happens in case of endo-reduplication is the chromosome divides, but the chromosome duplicates. The chromosome divides, but all the chromatids remain together, do not get separation. Cell division in which the duplication of takes place between. Look here, I have shown here. This is the normal chromosome of the Drosophila. I have shown here the structure formed as a result. What happens here? Chromatid. This is the chromosome. There are a number of chromatids. There are a number of chromatids, and all these chromatids are present together, and the centromeres of all the chromosomes come in the center, and a special structure is formed. That structure is known as chromocenter. I have also shown here the chromocenter. So these are the 4 pairs of chromosome, and each chromosome undergo endo-reduplication to form a large number of the fibrils, large number of threads, large number of chromatids, and all these chromatids remain together attached at the point of centromere. They do not undergo separation, and therefore in a multi-stranded structure is formed. This is the final diagram. This is the structure of a polytene chromosome. Look here, I have shown here only 4 strands, but there are a number of threads, and you know that this polytenic structure, the polytenic structure consisting of a large number of fibrils, large number of threads, large number of chromatids. You can say the chromatids, chromosomal fibril. You can use whatever the term you like. So this is and on this polytene chromosome there are dark bands. There are the presence of dark bands, and lightly stained bands. So on this, along the length of the polytene chromosome, there is alternate presence of bands and interbands. Bands are highly coiled structure consisting of chromomeres, and interbands are loosely coiled structure. And this chromomere, and what happens? Some of the chromomeres opens up. Some of the chromomeres opens up. This is a coil-like structure. This coils opens up to form the extended structure, and this extended structure is known as puff. And larger puff is known as the Ball-Biani ring. The Ball-Biani ring, after the name of the discoverer, you know that it was Ball-Biani who for the first time reported the polytene chromosome. So this, as far the structure of this polytene chromosome is concerned, the polytene chromosome consists of a number of a large number of fibrils or chromatids which are present together, and along the length of this multi-stranded structure, there is presence of bands and interbands. Bands are highly coiled region, interbands are loosely coiled region. And the chromomere present in the band region, some chromomeres opens up, extends up to form the extension, and such extension is known as the puff, and larger puff is known as Ball-Biani ring. And I have shown here the various of one chromosomal arm. This is the chromocenter. This is the chromosomal arm consisting of a large number of threads. This is the band. This is the interband. This is a chromos. What is chromocenter? Chromocenter is formed due to the aggregation coming together of the centromere of all the 4 pairs of chromosome together, and this leads to the formation of chromocenter. So this is the polytene chromosome. Polytene chromosome. Now the question arises: why this polytene is formed? What is the reason why this structure is formed? If you are asked to explain in your examination or in practical examination or in your exam, if you are asked to tell what is the reason behind what is the application, what is the use, what is the function of this polytene chromosome, why such a large number of chromosome is formed in the cells of this salivary gland of Drosophila, what is the reason? Faiza, Anjum, Anis. At first, let me know. Just I have used 3 terms during my lecture. The first term is endo-reduplication, endomitosis, polytenization. Define what have you understood? What have you understood by the 3 terminologies which I have just explained? Polytenization, endo-reduplication, and endomitosis. If you are asked to differentiate between the mitosis and endomitosis, how will you differentiate these two? Endomitosis and mitosis. What is the difference? What is the difference between endomitosis and mitosis? Anis, Fatima? Anis? Anis?
Yes, sir.
अनीस अपना वीडियो ओपन कीजिए.
सर प्रॉब्लम है यार नेटवर्क का.
As a problem, if you have some network problem, then let me know. Let me know what is the difference between mitosis and endomitosis. This topic has already been taught in the regular class. You have Gauss Talat has already taught you mitosis and meiosis, and I think that you will be. I hope that you might be knowing the difference between endomitosis and mitosis. And this polytene chromosome is formed due to endomitosis. I have written on the whiteboard here, and just I have used the 3 terminologies: polytenization, endo-reduplication, and endomitosis. All these 3 terms are identical, say synonymous. ये सब एक ही फेनोमेना का 3 नाम है. बताइए, endo-reduplication, endomitosis, and polytenization. What do you understand? Just I have explained the definition of this endo-reduplication and endomitosis and polytenization. Polytene is a multi-stranded chromosome. Just at first I have told you that the normal chromosome consists of only 2 arms. The normal chromosome consists of only 2 chromatids, but this polytene chromosome consists of a large number of chromatids. And this how does the formation of large number of chromatid will take place? Generally, when the cell division when the mitosis takes place, the one chromosome divides to form 2 daughter chromosomes, which are included in two daughter nuclei. So then how does the formation of a large number of chromatids from the same chromosome take place in the
Sir,
Drosophila melanogaster to form polytene chromosome? And this process this is possible by the this is made possible by a phenomena which is known as endoreduplication, endomitosis, which is also known as commonly which is also called polytenization. How will you
Yes, sir.
define? What is the
Endomit-
how endoreduplication? यार endoreduplication सबसे आसान वर्ड है endoreduplication.
it help in the sir nuclear division इसमें नहीं होता और इसके चलते increase number of chromosome हो जाएगा इसमें सर.
You are right, Sasank. You are making approach toward the right answer. You have tried your best to define the term. Yes, I have also defined that endoreduplication is a type of cell division in which the duplication of chromosome takes place without their separation. The chromatids do not separate because the
Nice, sir.
centromere do not divide. What will happen if the you know that the division of centromere divides during the anaphase, when the chromosome at the metaphasic plate the chromosome appears to be consisting of two sister chromatids. But when they enter the anaphase stage, what happened? The centromere splits. The centromere divides. The centromere divides and the two sister chromatids are separated apart, and they move toward the opposite pole and form the daughter chromosome. So this process does not take place. अगर वैसा होता तो फिर यहाँ पॉलिटीन क्रोमोसोम नहीं बन पाता. तब तो फिर क्या होता? देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पॉलिटीन. यहाँ पर वही काम नहीं हुआ. यानी whenever the polytene chromosome where in case of the salivary gland of Drosophila when the cell division takes place, there is no separation, no division of the centromere. The chromosome undergoes repeated division. At first the chromosome divides into two longitudinal half, two sister chromatids, and the sister chromatid does not separate. And before the separation, the chromatid do not separate, and again the chromatids start to divide. अभी अलग ही नहीं हुआ क्रोमैटिड, फिर से क्रोमोसोम डिवाइड करना शुरू हो गया. तो क्या होगा? लगातार बार जब डिवीजन होगा तो क्या होगा? क्रोमैटिड की संख्या, नंबर ऑफ क्रोमैटिड्स विल इंक्रीज, but all the chromatids will remain together and remain together inside the same nucleus. What will happen? A multi-stranded structure will be formed. A large number of chromatids will be formed and all these chromatids will remain together. सब एक साथ होंगे और इस तरह से आप जानते हो, you know that there are 4 pairs of chromosome in the Drosophila. तो ये चारों क्रोमोसोम जो होंगे ड्रोसोफिला के, वो सब के सब यही काम करेंगे. सबका वही उसी तरह से डिवीजन होगा. They will divide but they will not separate. The chromosome will undergo division but their chromatids will not separate, and again it divides and redivides, again divides. In this way a large number of threads are formed, and that is why this structure is known, this chromosome appears to be consisting of a large number of thread-like structure, which is the chromonemal threads or chromatid threads. Therefore, the term polytene chromosome has been used. Poly means more than one, teens means thread, that is the chromatid. Therefore, the term polytene chromosome has been used. And this chromosome is also known as salivary gland chromosome because it is found in the salivary gland cells of the Drosophila. And you should know that this is the polytene chromosomes are found in the somatic cell, not in the reproductive cell. And as far the structure of this polytene chromosome is concerned, the polytene chromosome consists of a number of threads, and along